Welcome to my quantum physics video lesson series. This video series is a full package or knowledge bank. The viewers are advised and encouraged to watch each and every video lesson in this video series in order to perceive the background concept. These distinct video lesson episodes are a thought-provoking journey through the subatomic world. This particular video here offers an exclusive lecture on the key subtopic photon. Is light really wave? Or particle? Have you often pondered over how quantum physics is rather philosophy than mathematical derivation? Philosophy or physics? That's what we say about cosmology, right? Photon, also called light quantum, is a minute energy packet of electromagnetic radiation. The concept originated in 1905, when Albert Einstein explained the photoelectric effect by proposing the existence of discrete energy packets. Back in 1900, the German physicist Max Planck had already prepared the background for the concept by presenting his radiation law, which describes the energy distribution of thermal radiation, a revolutionary understanding of radiation and energy, stating that heat radiation is emitted and absorbed in distinct units, or quanta. The practical application of the concept was established on solid ground in 1923, when the American physicist Arthur H. Compton demonstrated the corpuscular nature of X-rays. The term photon, however, was not used until 1926. First, as a starting point, let me briefly go through the timeline in the history that led to the inception of the concept of photons. Afterwards, we will go through the key aspects and key features. In 1900, Max Planck resolved the paradox ultraviolet catastrophe by predicting that energy came in discrete amounts, known as quanta. Well, Max Planck's interpretation of black body radiation was essentially mathematical. In 1905, Albert Einstein gave the very first groundbreaking physical interpretation to Planck's mathematics, when he proposed that electromagnetic radiation itself is granular, consisting of quanta. Please bear in mind that neither Einstein, nor Planck, nor Millikan called the particles photons. That term was first formulated by Berkeley physical chemist Gilbert N. Lewis in 1926. Here we see the historic article by Gilbert Lewis in Nature from 1926. It can only be composed of, or denoted by, an integer number of discrete portions. It's the essential unit that constitutes light. Photons are elementary particle, which belongs to the class of bosons. It exhibits wave-particle duality, as explained by quantum mechanics. Oddly enough, even though photons are massless, traveling at the speed of light, which emerges from Einstein's theory, they carry momentum. Yes, it does. Just like a particle.
Ready lecture notes and study materials are available on request. Please use the comment section below for further academic discussions. Viewers' suggestions and ideas of new video lesson topics are gratefully appreciated. Stay tuned for more uploads. Please remember to like, subscribe, share.